Okay.
Morning, everyone. My name is Lillian, and I'm presenting question number 3 in the section of algebra. And it says simplify x squared into x squared plus 1 power negative a half minus x squared plus 1 power a half out of x squared. We are going to realize that on both sides we have x squared plus 1 as a common factor. We factor it out. When we factor out x squared plus 1 power a half, this side will remain with 1. And here we shall remain with x squared plus 1 power negative 1 out of our x squared. But we want to use positive powers, which shall get a reciprocal of this term, which will give us x squared out of x squared plus 1. Since we have this term and this term, we are going to get a common denominator. And to get a common denominator, we are going to get our LCM, which is x squared plus 1, divided by 1 times 1, which will give us still x squared plus 1. But since there is a negative in front of 1, it will come out as negative x squared minus 1. And for this, this term, we shall have x squared plus 1, x squared plus 1 out of times x squared, which will give us only x squared. And it will come out like this. When we subtract, this gives us 0. So it means that 0 shall remain with negative 1. And we have x squared plus 1 even in the numerator. Since it is division, we shall subtract the powers and shall remain with x squared plus 1 power a half into x squared.
Hello, Mr. Dung. Yes, that one is fine.
Okay.
Part B of the question says, simplify 8 to the power 1 out of 6 times 4 to the power 1 out of 3 divided by 32 to the power 1 out of 6 times 16 to the power 1 out of 12. We are going to factorize the We are going to prime factorize everything. When you prime factorize, 8 shall get 2 to the power 3. When you open the brackets for the powers, we shall have 2. We shall have 2 to the power 3 out of 6. When you prime factorize 4, we shall have this. And when you prime factorize 32, it will be 2 to the power 5. When you open brackets for the powers, we shall have 5 to the power 6. 2 to the power 5 out of 6. Then when we prime factorize 16, we shall have 2 to the power 4. When we open the brackets for the powers, we shall have 4 out of 12. But 3 and 6 are divisible, and 4 out of 12 are divisible. So we shall remain with this. We shall have 2 to the power 1 out of 2, and times 2 to the power 2/3, and 2 to the power 5 out of 6 times 2 to the power 1 out of 3. The laws of indices, here we are going to maintain one base. Since the base is the same, we shall maintain one base, and then we add the powers. We maintain the 2. When we add the powers, a half plus 2 out of 3, we shall get 7 out of 6. Even for the denominator, we do the same. We maintain the powers. we maintain 1 power, 2, then we add, we maintain one base, and then we add the powers. Then we shall have 2 to the power 7 out of 6 out of 2 to the power 7 out of 6. Since it is division, we subtract. We shall have 2 to the power 0, and any number to the power 0 gives us 1. Then part C says,
are you seeing part C, sister?
Yes, we are still on part C.
Okay. Part C says, simplify 16 out of 81, the whole of it, to power -1 out of 4. But for me, I want to get a positive power, so I will get a reciprocal of 16 out of 81, which is 81 out of 16. When we prime factorize the whole fraction, 81 will be 3 out of 3 to the power 4, and 16 will be 2 to the power 4. When we open the brackets for the powers, we shall remain with 3 and 2, which is the same as 1.5. Thank you.